You don't need to be creative to have brilliant ideas. You just need the right system. Most people think creativity is a talent, something you're either born with or not. That's completely wrong. Ideas don't come from talent, they come from input. The more interesting things you consume, books, conversations, different fields, the more your brain has to connect and combine. Here's the system. Step 1. Steal like an artist. Take one idea from your field and one for a completely unrelated field. Combine them. That's called a cross-pollination idea, and it's how most breakthroughs actually happen. Step 2. Write before you think. Every morning, dump 10 raw ideas onto paper. No filter, no judgment. Most will be terrible. That's the point. You're training your brain to produce on demand. Step 3. Change your environment. A new coffee shop, a walk, even a different chair. Your brain generates new thoughts in new surroundings. Do this consistently and ideas stop feeling rare. They become automatic.